Here's a great deal on a 2016 Dodge Dart. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic temperature control, and power windows. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and rear side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.